Welcome to 320 Littlefields Road here in Mulgoa. This beautifully presented acreage property is set on 2.7 acres. You're only a minute's walk down the road to the village, the shops and the community centre. This is a 4-bedroom home, single level, with 2 bathrooms and a triple car garage. You've got a 90 square metre shed just down the driveway, which could be plumbed in for a granny flat or a teenage retreat. This property is only 59 kilometres to the city, 15 kilometres to the second airport. You're on town water, manicured gardens, absolutely immaculately presented. Come on inside, let's take a look. As you enter this magnificent property, let's go straight out to the real selling point, which is the covered al fresco and outdoor kitchen, which is a beautiful time of day, rolling hills, looking out to the lake. You can entertain the friends and family. You've got your outdoor fireplace, barbecue. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? As you make your way inside, you've got your huge gourmet kitchen, which has got the 80mm stone bench top with a waterfall edge. You've got your pendant lighting, Smeg appliances throughout with a 5-burner gas cooktop, butler's pantry, access to the laundry. Here in the living area, it's tiled with ceiling fans, ducted air conditioning, raked ceiling. Really excellent separation of bedroom quarters in this property with the parents' retreat, with the walk-in robes and ensuite, huge master bedroom. And then the kids' retreat down the other end with the 3 bedrooms, the main bathroom with the claw feed bathtub. And then at the entrance with the plantation shutters, you've got your carpeted study area and second living area. This is Happy Gilmore signing off from 320 Littlefields Road. I'm David Lippman from Mortar Real Estate Penrith. Thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you soon.